Click API extraction. You can choose from the following product types. The generation number can be changed here. Choose the country you need. Select proxy type. Change the data format here. You can choose between the following delimiters. Click the Generate API link. This is the generated API link. Click the Open link. Copy the address and port generated by the link. Go to the browser. Click the icon at the top right. Open Settings option. To go down, open your computer's proxy settings. Open the Use Proxy server. Paste the address and port you just copied. Click Save button. So that's the proxy details.